this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private GitHub repository public. So this is quite simple. All you have to do is go to github.com and log into your account. Once you've done this, you want to go to your avatar up here, top right, click on it and select your repositories. Then out of the repositories you first have to select the one you would like to make public. So for me, it's going to be this one, which is currently private, as you can see. Click on it. And over here, where there's this navigation tab, you want to go to the very right where it says Settings. Click Settings. And then you want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page. In here, it is the danger zone. As you can see, there's the danger zone. Now, the first thing inside the danger zone is change repository visibility. This repository is currently private. If you want to change visibility, simply click here where it says change visibility and then click change to public. And as you can see, it says I want to make this repository public. Simply press this, and then you have to read all of this. So this code will be visible to everyone who can visit github.com. Anyone can fork your repository. All push rule sets, will be disabled. Your changes will be published as activity, and actions history and logs will be visible to everyone. If you agree with this, press I have read and understand these effects. Click this and click Make this repository public. And then that's it. Your repository has been set to public, and as you can see, it now says this repository is currently public. And if you go back here to your repositories, you can see it says the trial 1 is now public. Of course, if you would like to make it private yet again, you want to go to the exact same page, scroll to the bottom, click change visibility, change to private, go through the exact same procedure we just went through, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.